A big tribal outreach by the Modi government. The Sarai Kali Khan in Delhi, it has been changed. The name of that place has been changed to Birsa Munda Chowk now. The Prime Minister's tribal outreach on the birth anniversary of the tribal leader Birsa Munda. This key Delhi intersection, which was named Sarai Kali Khan earlier, is now Birsa Munda Chowk. And this comes after the Prime Minister in Jharkhand, ahead of the crucial Jharkhand elections, and the Prime Minister, in a big outreach for the tribals, has now changed the name. The government has now changed the name of Sarai Kali Khan to Birsa Munda Chowk.
भगवान बिरसा मुंडा इस देश के जनजातीय समाज के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा नाम है। उन्होंने एक बहुत बड़ा संघर्ष किया जनजातीय समाज के लोगों की भावनाओं को ध्यान में रखते हुए। उनकी जो प्राकृतिक संपदाओं का वो उपयोग करते थे अंग्रेज सरकार के समय, उसको उनसे यानी छीन लिया जाता था। तो ऐसे प्रेरणा देने वाले भगवान बिरसा मुंडा, उनकी याद दिल्ली में भी बनी रहे, तो ऐसे समाज हमारे युवकों के खास करके प्रेरणा के स्रोत बने रहें। तो वहाँ उनकी एक बड़ी प्रतिमा, उसका भी उद्घाटन किया गया है। हमारे गृह मंत्री श्री अमित शाह जी ने किया है। और जो ISBT का जो चौक है, उस चौक का जो बड़ा चौक है, उसका नाम भगवान बिरसा मुंडा के नाम से रखा गया है।
And my colleague Aishwarya Jain joins us to get us more on this. Aishwarya, you know, the government it is going to say that look, this is being done in the honor of Birsa Munda and to celebrate his legacy. But how is the politics going to play out, especially when the elections are happening in Jharkhand?
Several BJP leaders have already slammed the Congress party over questioning that why there has been a massive celebration around the Birsa Munda Jayanti. It is the BJP leaders who have stated that back in 2021, it is the central government who announced first that Birsa Munda birth anniversary should be celebrated as Janjatiya Gaurav Divas every year. And recently in the Chief Minister's State Council meeting that happened in Chandigarh, it was a proposal that was made by one of the top NDA leader that on the 150th anniversary, birth anniversary of Birsa Munda, for the entire year celebration should take place so that the tribals who had been neglected for years and years in the country should get their dues, and for their socio-economic, for their education, for their infrastructure, for their development, this outreach program should happen. And therefore PM Janman Yojana, which is a key initiative, a national welfare scheme for the tribals, which have collaborated almost 21 other schemes, had been launched today by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It is just not in Delhi where Home Minister Amit Shah unveiled a grand statue of Birsa Munda, 21 feet tall metal statue at Sarai Kali intersection, which has now been renamed as Birsa Munda Chowk, and this is an honor to Birsa Munda. Of course, in Delhi, this event has happened in Bihar's Jamui. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was himself was there. All the NDA leaders were there, but and in Tripura's Agartala as well, Jyotiraditya Scindia was given in charge for the celebrations of Birsa Munda Jayanti. And therefore, the reason perhaps directly or indirectly these schemes will impact the tribal voters in Jharkhand as well before the second phase of polling begins. Of course, it is the Bharatiya Janata Party who has been saying that they have been doing a lot for the betterment of the tribal belt areas. But remember, in the last elections in Jharkhand, Bharatiya Janata Party has not done pretty well, specifically in the tribal belt, and focusing on that. Champai Soren was recently inducted. Many schemes were launched for the tribals, and to have a better vote share, to win more seats in tribal belts. Of course, these schemes had been launched which will directly or indirectly impact the tribal belt in Jharkhand as well.
Right.